Welcome to our deep dive into the microscopic world of microorganisms. These tiny life forms are all around us, and they play crucial roles in our lives and the environment. Today, we'll uncover some of the most unusual and mind-blowing facts about microorganisms that will change the way you see the world. Let's start with the sheer abundance of microorganisms. Did you know that there are about 5 million trillion bacteria on Earth? That's more than the number of stars in the observable universe. If you lined them up end to end, they would stretch for about 10 billion light years. Microorganisms are incredibly efficient at reproduction. For example, the bacterium Pseudomonas nitrogens can reproduce every 10 minutes. In just 5 hours, a single bacterium could theoretically give rise to more than 1 billion offspring. Microorganisms are also some of the oldest life forms on Earth. Bacteria have been around for at least 3.5 billion years, making them the oldest known life forms on the planet. They were here long before dinosaurs roamed the Earth and have survived multiple mass extinctions. Your body is a microbial wonderland. In fact, you have 10 times more bacterial cells in your body than human cells. These microorganisms play vital roles in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Microorganisms are also incredibly fast movers. For instance, Escherichia coli, E. coli, can travel 25 times its own length in a single second. If a human could move at a similar speed, it would be like running 135 miles per hour. Did you know that mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, are actually descendants of ancient bacteria? Billions of years ago, these bacteria were engulfed by larger cells, leading to a symbiotic relationship that continues to this day. While antibiotics are lifesavers, they can also disrupt your microbiome. When you take antibiotics, they kill both harmful and beneficial bacteria. This can lead to overgrowth of harmful bacteria like Clostridium difficile, causing severe intestinal issues. One of the biggest challenges in modern medicine is antibiotic resistance. Some bacteria, like MRSA, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, have evolved to resist multiple antibiotics, making infections difficult to treat. MRSA's resistance is partly due to carotenoids, chemicals that help it fend off our immune system. Microorganisms can survive in extreme conditions. Some bacteria thrive in boiling hot springs, while others live in the freezing cold of Antarctica. There are even bacteria that can survive the vacuum and radiation of outer space. Microorganisms are also environmental heroes. Certain bacteria can break down pollutants, including oil spills and plastic waste. These microbes are used in bioremediation to clean up contaminated environments. Many of the antibiotics we use today are derived from microorganisms. For example, penicillin, the first antibiotic discovered, comes from the mold Penicillium. Microorganisms continue to be a rich source of new antibiotics and other medicines. Your gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem. The bacteria in your intestines help digest food, produce vitamins, and protect against harmful pathogens. Disruptions to this delicate balance can lead to various health issues, including obesity and autoimmune diseases. Microorganisms are even in the air we breathe. Bacteria and fungi can be found floating in the atmosphere, where they play a role in cloud formation and precipitation. Some bacteria can even induce rain by acting as nuclei for ice crystals. Microorganisms are truly remarkable, with abilities and behaviors that continue to amaze scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. They play vital roles in our health, the environment, and even the weather. So next time you think about the microscopic world, remember the incredible impact these tiny organisms have on our lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of microorganisms. Don't forget to like, subscribe,